them like campfire nachos. No campfire. Well, they're just as good. They're Blackstone nachos. Oh yeah. Girl, you ready? You ready for some breakfast? You ready? It's good. You excited?
Yeah.
You excited for me to race your XL?
Yeah.
What about my new one? Yeah.
Oh, wow.
The XL, the 600, and the new one.
Oh, 3 of them?
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
You're running?
I'm running.
You're running?
Yeah.
Woo!
You're running? You're running? Brad!
Ooh. That's why I got asked.
Fitting to get down with the breakfast train. You heard me? Man, that is super good looking. Isn't this just the sickest setup you ever did see? This thing is nasty. Got the huge redneck tent set up. Oh yeah. Let's go check it out. All right, let's go in here and see what they're doing. The hell we got, dude? It's warm up in here. It's warm. Hey, honey, just so you know, that mother trucker jams.
I know.
Where's Sadie? Hi, Sadie. Hi, Sadie. Set up right there. Right there. Oh yeah.
Lost track of the forest through the trees, forgot what I was chasing. Spent so many nights living out at sea that my heart is gone vacant. And everybody who was close to me all stayed on dry land. So now I'm driving back on Interstate West, I just gotta feel something. Not gonna wait till the morning, because something's gonna change my mind. I don't wanna change my mind. Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life. Send my best friend an apologetic text, he says to come over. Well, the whole damn town has been waiting for the day when you would come back here. There was dancing and talking and steaks on the grill, and I think that I will be alright. And my ex from high school still looks just the same as she did back in 2009. Not gonna wait till the morning, let's never put the night on ice. Never put the night on ice. Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight
Ronnie? You feeding the whole campground?
Just our neighbor.
Oh, okay.
We'll do 3